Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa Mexican style, full guide. Roast tomatoes and chilies until charred, then blend with onion, cilantro, lime juice, and salt to taste. I'll guide you through choosing chilies, controlling heat, and getting the texture you want, whether chunky or smooth. Follow step by step, and you'll make bright, balanced salsa perfect for chips, tacos, or grilled meats. Start by roasting tomatoes and chilies on a hot pan or under a broiler until skins are blackened in spots. That adds real depth. Remove stems and seeds as desired to control heat, then let everything cool slightly before handling. If you want less bitterness, peel tomatillos lightly and rinse. These small steps make a big difference in the final flavor and mouthfeel of your salsa. Place roasted ingredients in a blender or food processor and pulse to reach your preferred texture, chunky or smooth. Add fresh lime juice and salt gradually, tasting as you go to balance acidity and seasoning. Fold in chopped cilantro at the end to keep its vibrant flavor intact. If salsa is too thick, thin with a splash of water. If too mild, add more chilies or a pinch of salt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.